Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are learning ayah number 98 of Surah Baqarah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. من كان عدوا لله وملائكته ورسله وجبريل وميكال فإن الله عدو للكافرين. من كان فتحة, open your jaws, and noon second, and you will get kaf, and kaf has ikhfa, and ikhfa is like saying ink. Minka, sorry, minka, it's manka. Can you feel the sound of saying ink? Manka. Manka. Ka will be 2 counts long. Na, short. Ain from your throat very clearly, and short sound for fatha. Open your jaws. Do. Da for dhamma. Circle your lips. And when you're attaching dal with wow, you are giving nabar. And what is the abbreviation of nabar? It's capital N. So you remember we took wow and ya. When wow and ya gets tashdid, it gets nabar. And what nabar is? To raise your voice little. Adu. Well, wow is attached with lam. Wali, D is short, and e sound. Adu wali. Adu walillah. Lillah, lam is attached with the other lam, and it will be obviously long. Why? Because Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's lam is always long. Adu walillah, la, 2 counts long. He, short. Wa, circle your lips well. For wow, makhraj of wow is circling your lips, and don't use your upper teeth to touch lower lip to pronounce wow. That is a very wrong pronunciation. Wa, ma, wa, ma. Wow is short, ma is short, la, 4 haraka long. Wa malai, e is very short, and e sound. Wa malai, ka is short. For fatha, open your jaws. T. For kasra, give e sound, and short. Kati, he. It's 2 counts long. Wa, wow, circle your lips to pronounce wow. Wa, ru, ra is heavy. Sin is heavy. Sorry, sin is light. And for both, circle your lips. Wa, ru, su. Wa, ru, su. Li, lam is short and has kasra. Give e sound. He, 2 counts long. Wa, ru, su, li, he. Wa, circle your lips for wow. And for fatha, open your jaws. Wa, jib. Jim, jim is getting kasra, so give e sound. And for ba, you are giving qalqala, because we already took qutubu jaddin. Whenever they get in sukoon, it gets qalqala. And what qalqala is? When you close the makhraj to pronounce it, because it's a closed makhraj, jib, and then you let your makhraj open, and that is called qalqala. Jib, jib, wajib, ri is 2 counts long. La, lam is short. Wa, circle your lips to pronounce wow. For fatha, open your jaws. Wa, mi, 2 counts long. Ka, 2 counts long. La, short. Wa, mi, ka, la is short. Fa, give hums, flow of breath. Fa, it should be heard. it's not very silent letter. It's not fa inna Allah. No, it's fa in. For kasra, give e sound, and then it is attached with noon, and noon will get two haraka gunna. When you are attaching this hamza with noon, here is the place to give gunna. And what gunna is, to keeping the sound in your nose. Fa in, this is doing what you are doing here. Fa in, and then fatha is with noon with fatha is attached with lam. No. Then this Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name will get heavy. Whenever there is fatha or dhamma before Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala's name, it will get heavy, and the heavy sound of this lam is law. Law, what you read, what you follow. Yes, remember that law. Fa in law, and it will be 2 counts long. Law ha. Fa in law ha. Ain from your throat, and for fatha, open your jaws. Doom, for dhamma, circle your lips, and dal is attached with wow. And remember, whenever you get wow or ya with tashdid, you give nabar. And what nabar is? To raise your voice little when you're touching this letter. Dal is attached with wow. Here, the place of nabar. Do. And then wow is with it is idgham merging without gunna. Adu wul lil tawassut lil ka 2 counts long and light. Fi, give hums in fa fi, and give kasra. Hums is flow of breath. The fa should be heard with flow of breath. Fi rin 2 4 6. It can be 2 counts long, it can be 4 counts long, it can be 6 counts long. And when you will make it long, firin, we are making it 4 haraka long, and we do always make it long 4 haraka. And then for noon, you will give the wasat, because it will get sukoon at the end. And this no this is part of lin amar. And whenever these 5 letters get sukoon, it gets medium flow of sound, and medium flow of sound is called tabassut. And you are not stopping noon abruptly, and you're not making it long, but it's a medium flow of sound. Kafirin. سبحانك اللهم ربنا وبحمدك نشهد أن لا إله إلا أنت نستغفرك ونتوب إليك. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.